Alright, hello everyone, how are you doing? I have another vehicle to show you guys today, and I'm pretty darn excited about it. It's kind of an interesting, crazy concept, but I'm very excited to show you, but yeah, so this is the crazy thing. So this is what I'm calling the Atmo Driller. Now it's same concept as the Atmo Flyer hanging out over there on this new platform I built. Very similar concept, all about the vertical takeoff and lift. This one, its specific design is actually to mine, and that is a huge challenge. Now, this is taking the vertical to the limit. So with this, we have our 3 drills here in the front, and the goal with this flyer is to point your cockpit to the earth and just start drilling downward. So we're gonna hold on. So we're gonna whip out. Let's see. Bam. So yeah, concept's very similar. We're just gonna take it and we're gonna just fly using our basic. This is a terrible demonstration of it, but pointing downward with the cockpit, and we will slowly descend and give a good little drill, and then we can use our pitch and yaw to turn. It's a little easier to just show you. So anyways, so we have enough thrusters on here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think we have about 9 thrusters facing backwards. So yeah, we have our 9 thrusters facing backwards, and no, actually I think it's only 8. Yeah. Oh, never mind, I'm wrong. 6. 6 on the bottom, 4 on the top. So we have 10 backwards thrusters, and all 10 of those are giving us enough lift to pull us back. The most difficult thing with this build, and this is just our Mark 1 prototype, is removing stone from our inventory, because as we continue to drill down, we continue to get stone, and that is just unnecessary material and ore that just ladens us down. So, alright, let's give this a shot. Let's just make sure. One more chart off. Okay. So, turning on all thrusters. We are going to. We are going to now detach ourselves from the base. Just to check my viewpoint, make sure I'm ready to go. Yep. And we are ready for takeoff. We are almost ready for takeoff. Okay. So, we have to figure out my settings with that. But here, we'll go over here, test it out on the gold and silver. Alright. And here we go. So this is a mine that we and my partner Schlitz dug into. And there is gold and silver slightly below. So, as always, give a good save. As you can see, this is not the first time I've tried this out. And here we go. So the biggest thing I've learned with this is that you can't go directly downwards with this. You always kind of have to approach whatever it is you're mining at an angle. So for the most part, similar to, hold on, stay. So similar to how I've approached mining in here with a hand tool, you just have to slowly carve your way down. So this way you have a pathway to come up. And then you have an exit to get out. So, similar to this, in order to get to the vast, huge, giant ore veins down there, we have to make a very slow, long, painfully slow drill down. Now it's going to be worth it in the end though, although tearing up this beautiful landscape, probably not, but it makes it easier to get to that ore and extract it. It's the ultimate goal of this thing. So this is just a test run. This is test number 3, test number 2, and test number 1 all went, well, unsurprisingly, explosions occurred and things happened. Oh yeah. So that's it in a nutshell. It has these whoops. It has lights, capable of shining your way down as you go. And yeah. This is the Atmo driller. It's a neat little device. It's just it's got a high power consumption, especially with these drills. So yeah, it's just a little beginner vehicle produced. Hopefully we can make the landing. And yeah, that was the Astroland. That's the Astro Driller. Oh god.